Hey guys, Mike here at Pig Trail Harley-Davidson. I just want to show you, these guys are working on a new trike, and since they've got the body off of it, we're going to show you what the suspension looks like. You might as well get a first-hand peek of it because you hear a lot about it, but actually getting to see it. So check this out. This is called the DD on, and the major differences are the swing arm and the transfer case are separated, and it's held together by a Watts linkage and a really good sway and torsion bar. And the biggest advantage of this is that, one, this suspension goes from 2.3 to 5.2 inches of travel. It gets relocated to the front. This is a softer suspension now, so this actually provides a way better ride. And since you have over 100% more travel, you don't get the body roll the same way you do on the previous generation. So that actually equates to a whole lot less of this shimmy up front because you're not getting the body roll. Did I say all that correctly?
Yeah, pretty much.
In a nutshell. We're operating on a short amount of time here.
Yeah.
So these guys are actually getting the body on now.
It's not rolling.
Bit.
Ah, smash my fingers.
This is why we leave it to the professionals.
Hurts so good.
Yeah, but the ride on these is transformative. It is completely different, and underneath it's simple, but that's what makes all the difference is that DD on rear suspension. It creates so much more travel, and whenever this compresses, it takes a lot longer for it to actually cause the frame to lift up and get that body roll. So you get such a better ride up front. You know, being close to Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue, we're going to see a lot of riders coming here that are on trikes, and we sell a lot of these. Not only do we have a lot of pre-owns now because we've sold so many of the new ones, but our techs have been working on these quite a bit, so they're very well versed and adept in what's going on with the new product, and they're going to be able to help you out. So you guys are here for Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue, and that's like 89 days away at this point, maybe 90. We're going to be prepared to help you guys, to serve you. Our entire shop's going to be turned into a service area for everyone that comes here. So we're going to end up doubling the amount of staff that we have here, the amount of lifts, all this here to help serve you. So you guys check us out here. Keep following along. We're going to keep giving you inside looks at who Pig Trail Harley-Davidson is, what we do, and helping you get prepared for Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue, because that is the largest nonprofit motorcycle rally in the country, and we want you to know about it, and we want you to know how to get here and who you should talk to and what you should be doing, how you plan your rides whenever you do come here, so you make the absolute most out of your trip that's coming up. Thank you very much, guys. We will be talking to you again soon.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Before you go.
Yeah.
So let's make the world a better place and adopt a Harley today.